is it so incredibly hot in this place?
I say, did you know your underpants were on fire?
My underpants?
Yes, I can plainly see them burning from here.
Then that would explain the terrific heat. There is only one thing to do. I must sit on a man's face to cool my bum down. Here is such a man.
Sit on a man's face?
I say, will that really stop them from burning?
How the hell should I know?
Yes.
Surely that's nonsense, isn't it?
I wouldn't be standing there looking so smug if I were you. Your knickers are on fire as well.
What?
It is true, I can see them burning from here.
Oh my God, you're right.
You must find some of these faces to sit on. It is the only thing that works.